Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm in Volkswagen ID.Buzz and this car came to us with the problem that happens quite often now. All the Volkswagen ID range have these screens that stick out and they just get damaged, and this is another one that came to us with a damage here. I'm just showing you here. It's been hit and created an issue that, although it still displays all the information, you cannot do anything. You can see there's lines coming up when I'm trying to touch it and so on. It doesn't work. The only thing I can really do with this is press the climate control menu. It will bring it up, but again, I cannot adjust anything. Whatever I press, whatever I try to do, it doesn't do. I can't increase how quickly the air is being blown. I can't adjust the temperatures. It's just not working. It's not responsive, all because of this damage. So we're going to replace this screen. This is the 12-inch screen. The ID.Buzz comes with either 10 or 12-inch models. This is the 12 inches, the bigger screen. So we're going to replace it now, and we show you when it's all completed. The screen is replaced. As you can see, the new one is already installed. It's got this protective film still on it, so the quality of the screen is really good. It's just that the film is taking away a little bit from it. Gonna push that in. Oh, there you go. Climate control is also working. So if I switch it on, all the things I can access, so I can select and so on. So there is all fully responsive as before. We can go to the main menu here and we can select different things on the car, as we couldn't obviously before because that wasn't allowed. The screen damage was preventing us from doing anything on the screen. So that's fully done. Back to fully working. So if you have an issue with your screen, infotainment screen in the car, just get in touch with us. We offer full comprehensive repair and replacement. In this case, we were not able to repair it, had to be replaced. But please contact us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.